Here we have our homemade bath salts, lemongrass, lime and bergamot flavour.
$2 for the small ones and $4 for the larger ones.
So if you're in Adelaide and would like some bath salts, just send us a message and we'll try to reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you. We've made about 6 sales so far. Girls, which ones have done the most so far? So far, the lemon bliss balls have actually been selling fairly well. We've been marketing it as the sweeter ones and the more of the healthy ones. We need to restock.
We've only had like 2 people who said no. I
think they're nice about it.
Yeah.
Heaps of people doesn't have any made that. They're all nice if they don't want them.
Yeah.
Let's try one more lemon bliss ball.
Well done, kids.
Can I have a drink?
Yeah.
We're doing well.
Keep going. We
got honey crackers, just sold 3. Got lemon bliss balls, and we got JP's health balls, and we got plants.
Cool.